Hello, I am Vidya Parmar, your English teacher. You know English. What is English? A language that we are learning besides our mother. Everybody says English as a hard language, tough language. But you know the world. The world belongs with this language. It's a funny language, easy language, most dominant language in the world. Most of the people in the world used to speak only and only English. English is everywhere. Let's start something to learn English. Before that, we must know what is grammar. The word grammar. Whenever our student used to listen this word grammar, they are frightened. They are intense. Grammar is just like that of maths. So let's begin today. Today, English grammar, fundamentals of English. As we know, we have learned alphabet A to Z, then comes words, then comes sentence. What is word? A proper meaningful alphabets are set down in a particular meaning is word. What is sentence? We use to set proper words to make a sentence. Then what is fundamental of grammar? The basic grammar. How we can know what to use, what not to use in grammar to make a particular perfect sentence. The first steps that comes to know, to learn English is grammar. Let's begin with parts of speech. As we all know that in English, in Hindi, in Sanskrit, in Gujarati, or any mother tongue, we need some words, some steps to make a particular perfect, correct grammatical sentence. We are born, our mother taught us mother tongue, our father, our relatives, our friends, our neighbors, everybody used to speak. First of all, what we listen is the most essential thing. The phenomenon to learn something is to listen, to read and then write. And we have particular parts of speech, either in Gujarati or in English. So we will begin with parts of speech in grammar. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, verb, adverb, adjective, and interjection. With these particular things, we are going to begin our grammar. Grammar stands within these parts. As we know that a particular sentence has a subject and a predicate, or we can say object. But before that, we must know what is नाउन. हिंदी में उसको बोला जाता है संज्ञा. इन गुजराती also we used to speak it in as संज्ञा. So today we will begin with noun. What is noun? the main thing. Now, as from second standard, yeah, third standard, our teachers taught what is noun. Noun, as they gave us definition, name of person, place, thing, and animals. Also, it is derived as naming. We got the word naming word, that is noun. So, in Hindi it is somewhere. Some our parents used to give us name. We ourselves used to give names of particular things, even places. Some examples as Raju. So Raju is a name. Peacock, it's a name. Chair, it's a name. Taj Mahal, it's a name, and that is name. We got many 4 or 5 parts of noun. Some different kinds of nouns are there that are coming in use of this language, and we all are confused which noun will be there. So I would like to say the parts of noun. First one is proper. What is proper? Particular name that we used to give to a person, place, thing, or animal. That is proper. Perfect noun we can say. Proper. Proper stands for it's a proper thing, proper place, proper animal, proper human beings. A name is given. Example, Raju is a boy. Taj Mahal is in our language. Excellent. We got the first one is proper. Then stands number 2. Common. What is common? Something that is common. A name given to common persons, place, things, that is common. We can say some kind of things, many things. That is given common. A thing that is common to each other. That is common. Now third one stands collective. Words that regrets some group. For example, students. It's collection of boys and girls. It refers to students. Crowd means it can be male or female. That is collective. Then comes abstract noun. As we know that we have some qualities, each and other we people have some qualities in us. That is goodness, badness, and many things we have. That is some qualities are maintained over there, and that are abstract noun. Just three, four, or five nouns, parts of noun that we are using. It comes in our daily routine language. Yeah, what we do in our work. These are the parts of noun, and the fifth one is material. The word itself says us material. At that time it strikes in our mind some material will be there. We can say gold, we can say silver, we can say milk. Is milk a material? Yes, we can say it's a material now. So some material are used. Iron is there, gold is there, silver is there. Then they are now, and it is material. Now we go for something else. Countable and uncountable. What is countable? 1 cup of tea, 2 boys, 3 girls. And what is uncountable? Stars in the sky, water in the ocean. These nouns are countable and uncountable. As we say in daily life, I want 1 cup of tea, 2 cup of tea. But we cannot say there are 500 stars in the sky. Can we count the stars? No, we cannot. So they are uncountable now. Stars are now, obviously, stars got the names. They are just like water in the oceans also. So we have, as we know, we have studied parts of speech. In that the main thing is noun. Noun means a name of person, place or thing. Thank you.